Kasngi kabakot jangkot darba senrai kelai tang kajing khoj aprang Conrad sama metrin ba kajala ba ada mila basamaj MLA juga sang Voice of the People Party negladon kajing ko manyatainya perang kini angot kinang ilam hadang kajing khoj jang ba adan halo kajing keno jang Conrad sama ba kilong kibriu ki ba kem jungbut nakaliang jo deputy speaker utim mesti disira ba penya jaga darbar kete kapor ula keliu ba adan laudang kwa ne masngap ya kajing pensya jang umtri nang ba nakalang jauh badan ulayang bulong ba kuat syuk masngap ya kejim pensya jong umutri ba andai ulong ubrak kloy menjatainya ba umutri ba halo kani kapang kabili ba kejumut kejum perkhat lani kata ka mindset.
We should follow the rules. It says there's no debate, sir. So the reply's been done and the matter is
started.
I was replying. Debate means we go back and forth. Sir, I am speaking, sir. I did not interfere. So I would appreciate if the honourable member would not interfere when I speak.
Get emotional.
So who got emotional? We saw. So the point is, sir, that this is a call attention, sir. And I would request that since the already reply's been done, so we can move forward, sir, is what I would urge you, sir.
He can seek one clarification if he is willing to. If you have any.
So I don't want to ask any clarification.
Okay.
I've understood the mind of the Chief Minister.
Thank you.
I'm ready to debate with him one day, sir.
Thank you. Now we'll come to the next colleague.